We are going to discuss about the linkage. You are knowing that the genes for different characters, they are present on the same chromosome. So these are different genes which are present on the same chromosomes. These genes move together in the next generation. If these genes move together in the next generation, these genes, they are known as linked genes. The genes which move together from one generation to the next generation, they are known as linked genes. And the tendency of these genes to remain together, it is known as linkage. So this is definition of the linkage. The genes for different characters, they are present on the chromosome, and the different genes, they move together from one generation to next generation. They are known as linked genes, and their tendency is known as linkage. Now we will discuss about the types of linkages. There are two types of linkages: complete linkage and incomplete linkage. First we will discuss about the complete linkage. Here you have to give the example of Drosophila. Here the parents are grey body and long wings, is crossed with black body and vestigial wings. Genotypes: capital G, capital L, small g, small l, small l. The gamete: capital G, capital L, small g, small l. And as usual in F1, the grey body and long wings hybrid is formed. This hybrid is then crossed, thereafter the test cross. This F1 hybrid is crossed with the recessive parent. Then here two gametes are formed, capital G and capital L, small g and small l. Here only one gamete is formed, and in the F2, here you may observe grey body and long wings. Grey body and long wings as a parent, similar to the parent. Here black body and vestigial wing, similar to the parent. These two types of F2 individuals are formed. This happens because the capital G and capital L are not separated. Small g and small l are not separated, and therefore only parental combinations are formed. Non-parental combinations are not formed. This type of linkage is known as complete linkage. Now what is incomplete linkage? Here you have to give the example maize plant. The parents are colored full seeds and colorless shrunken seeds. Genotypes: capital C, capital S, small c, small s. As usual, here in F1, the colored full seeds are formed, hybrid seeds are formed. This is test cross. Again test cross. This F1 hybrid is crossed with the recessive parent. Here what happened? Instead of 4 type of gametes are formed, because here there is tendency this capital C and capital S are separated. They are not linked completely. Here they can separate, and therefore instead of 2, here these 2 are parental gametes and these 2 are non-parental gametes are also formed. And therefore here in the incomplete linkage, there is tendency CS capital and small s can be separated, and therefore non-parental gametes are formed and non-parental combinations are also formed. Such type of linkage is known as incomplete linkage. What is the difference? Here in complete linkage, only parental combinations are formed, in incomplete linkage, non-parental combinations are also formed because the genes can be separated. The genes, they do not remain together as complete linkage, they can be separated. Such type of linkage, it is known as incomplete linkage. Here you remember the example of Drosophila for complete linkage, and incomplete linkage you remember the example of maize.